Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video about a charger that I shorted out. It's a Toolkit RC M6DAC. I managed to short it out just by inadvertently plugging the wrong wires into the battery, which is pretty easy to do. So it came up with an error on the screen, and I can show you what I found and how I fixed it. So on the bottom of the charger here, there's 4 little pads. I've taken 3 off already, but they just peel off. They're just double-sided taped on. Remove those. Peels off. And then there's 4 screws under the base here. Just undo those. You need quite a skinny, long screwdriver to get right down these back ones. They're set right in. Once they're all out, pop the top off. You just got to be careful because there's a cable here that connects onto the circuit board. It needs to be released. Get a bit of a close up of that. So you can see these 2 cables. This one here can just pop out. Just ease it out. And this one here is a ribbon cable. And then you just need to flick this little piece here up. And it releases the cable. I should have already said at the start also, remove the power cable completely and put it out of the way. This area here is the 240 volt or the high voltage rectifier. It swaps it down to, I think it's 24 volts. So capacitors like this one, you want to try and keep away from the back of them because they can store a charge. So it's just a matter of plugging this one up, which is the plug for the high voltage, lifting the board out. There's a little divider. There's 2 screws here. Here. And here. Wriggle this up so it pops out. And there's a couple of little plastic pieces that sit over the lights. Just pop those off. And you can turn it over. So once you've got it flipped over, you'll be able to see just around here, there is actually 2 15 amp fast blow fuses, circuit board mounted. I just did a temporary repair and soldered over the top of these ones until I could actually get some replacement fuses. So these are replacement ones here. So I'll have to solder those in place of those 2. Putting this cable back in here is a little bit tricky. I just need to grab it with a pair of flat pliers. And just slide it in like that, and then just flick it down. That's it. It's locked in. Put this one back in. Bit fiddly. There we go. Back together. So here it is all back together again, and it is fudging. So the fuses I used are what they call 1206 15 amps. So here's one, little tiny ones. You can just see that. Surface mount. And I think I bought these ones from AliExpress, and they come in about 20, so they were like $5. So a good fix.